This is a Husky 46-inch mobile workbench. I'd like to go over a couple of the features of this workbench and also discuss some of the areas that need improvement with it and some hints for improving your box. Anyway, the first thing about this bench, it's got 46 inches on the surface top, 18 inches deep and about 37 inches high. 9 drawers. One drawer goes the full width of the box. Real handy for storing big items that can't fit in your smaller boxes. And then it's got 3 drawers that are 3.5 inches. And then it's got on the lower part, it's got some 9-inch deep drawers that have dual slides on them that can hold your big items such as your tools and stuff. And it's on wheels, and it's got a handle on one side that you can pull it around with. Really good for storing all of your project tools and your parts and stuff when you're doing a project. Traditionally, I've had stuff thrown all over the place, so hopefully this will get me more organized. Decided to go and look in the back of the box and see how it was built, and I'd like to show you some of the areas that are not so good and some things you can do to improve the strength of the box. So anyway, let's go ahead and take off the drawer on the front. And also, we'll take the drawer off the bottom. Inside this box, I'll position the camera so you can look better. The box has some vertical tubular columns that go the length of the box from the top to the bottom on this end right here. It also has a column on this end. The problem is that the column on the front end only goes to 2 inches from the top, and it cuts off right above where the handle is for some reason. And also on the bottom, it doesn't go all the way to the floor on the front one. The back one does go all the way to the floor. This front one here, it stops 1.5 inches above the floor, and that creates a stress point. But at the bottom right here, this area right here is a high stress point, and if the box is going to fail, that's probably going to be the place where it's going to fail. So I'm not sure why they didn't didn't go all the way to the floor and the ceiling on this front side, but both sides has high stress points. And so I was thinking about it and decided on how I could best correct the problem. And let me go inside the box and I'll show you what I did. Okay, on the inside top, you can see where on the back that the column does go all the way to the roof, but on the front side you can see where it doesn't go all the way to the top. So what I did was I took a little block of wood, 2 inches, and just stuck it in that front side right there, and that'll provide a lot more support for the top. Likewise on the bottom, you can see where the back side, the column goes all the way to the floor, and it's resting over top of the caster. The casters, might add, are also directly connected to the floor, and there's no other support other than just this one sheet metal on the floor. So you really need to have that member going all the way to the floor to help transmit that load to the caster. And what I did on the front it didn't have the column does not go all the way to the floor. What I did there was that I put another piece of plywood and stuck it up underneath, and it connected all the way to the edge right there, so that relieves that stress on that one point. So anyway, I think if you follow these, if you make these few little modifications, you'll have a much stronger box. I don't think it'll affect the rating on the box overall, but you might not have stress factors here at the lower point right here, which is your point of highest stress, because all of the weight from all the drawers plus on the top is concentrated in this area right here. So if you can beef that up, I think you'll have a lot better chances of not having a failure. So anyway, hope you enjoyed it. Thanks.